Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing the look that you can see on the thumbnail. It is also over on my Instagram, Avalon Clear Makeup, if you want to see a more detailed version of it. So I've put sellotape on the corners of my outer eye. I am just trying to test things for more precision for eyeliner and stuff, etc. if it really does make that much of a difference. So today I will be using this MUA palette from Superdrug. It is £8. I think it's quite nice with its different colour ranges. I'm going to go in with this pink here, and I am just using the Charlotte Tilbury blending brush and just picking up that product and really working it into the outer part of my eye and just building the pigment up to how I want it. I do really like pinks to be very vibrant, and as you can see it is pretty vibrant. I'm just dusting off the initial pink shade. I have done the other eye, I do miss that out, so I do both eyes at the same time. And then I'm going in with the blue from the palette and just working it into the middle part of my crease, blending it in with the pink as we go along. And as you can see, I'm really working it into the crease, always blowing it out as well as much as I can. And I was really feeling like a creative look, and I thought I definitely need to whack in a bit of green into this look. So I go in with a more tapered brush. This is a Morphe brush, I will link it down below, and I'm picking up the green in this palette. So working that in the inner corner of my crease. And then again, just blending everything together whilst I am doing this, so you don't want anything to look too sharp. And now I'm going in with my Conceal and Define concealer to cut the crease. I'm putting it on the back of the hand and then picking it up and then just cutting this crease. Now this is the most time consuming part, I think, of any eye look if you do a cut crease. I mean, if you are a pro, then it's great, but I am still learning. I haven't really done a lot of cut creases. But I'm hoping this tape really does help with the alignment and things like that. Just lightly pat and then build on. Obviously don't try and open your eyes whilst it's still wet or else it will crease. I'm just going in with my Mario Badescu and spraying my brush, and I'm using the Morphe 35p palette and picking up that purple shade. And I'm going to use this for my lid colour for now and just packing that over the entire lid. Just wanted something quite vibrant, something, you know, that says look at me, and I thought this colour was definitely a look at me colour. Then I am just taking a black eyeshadow, any black eyeshadow. This is to just kind of, I don't know, separate the two colours so you can kind of see the definition on the crease colours and the eyelid colour. As you can see, I've picked up that green shade again, and I am just working it in towards the centre of my lid. I wanted to give this kind of like a colourful, vibrant look. So I am just blending it all together to soften everything, don't make it look too harsh. And then I'm going in with my trusty Maybelline black gel eyeliner. I absolutely adore this stuff, and this is where the sellotape really helps. It just really should sharpen up the line. So I'm just following the sellotape line, but it really doesn't matter if you kind of go over that line because the sellotape's going to cut that off anyway. So here's just like a typical winged eyeliner. Maybe this would help some people with tips and tricks on how to do winged eyeliner. I wouldn't suggest like proper sellotape. I mean, and when you do pull it off, like I pull mine off quite quick. Surgical tape is meant to be for the skin, that's the whole point of it. But I didn't have it, so I just winged it, pardon the pun. But yeah, I haven't really heard any bad side effects of it. I just know it's a lot stickier than surgical tape, and that can be quite bad for the skin. So I am ripping this off, and if you can see the definition here once I pull this off, and you can see how sharp that eyeliner is, and you can see the leftover crap that's on the sellotape. And then I'm just using my Distortion Heavy Metal Glitter from Urban Decay, again, one of my favourites. And I'm just going over that winged eyeliner with the glitter and just packing it on until I get the vibrancy that I want. And then just cleaning up any fallout that I have had from doing the eyeshadows. So I'm going in with my Doll Beauty highlighter that I literally had only had for a day and it's smashed. And then I'm just working that with my pinky finger and picking that up and just using that as my inner corner highlight. And then let's do a bit of a crazy dance. And then I'm going in with a coal black eyeliner and just working that in the waterline. And then just wiping off any excess or anything else that's underneath the eye. And then I'm just smoking this out and attaching the wing to the bottom lash line. And then just putting my mascara on. So this is the final part of my look, guys. I thank you all very much for watching my video again, and this is the final eye look. If you want to see it in more detail, please head over to my Instagram, which is linked down below. Love you all.